Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of the Exebenus Pulse application, where we're going to show you how to create a procedure from a template or an existing procedure. There's numerous ways of creating procedures within Exebenus Pulse, but this lesson will focus on starting with an existing procedure or template. Let's take a look. So here we are within the Exebenus Pulse application. Today we're going to talk about building a procedure from a template. As you can see, we have a list of procedures here, and the status can be broken out into template, planned, draft, as run, or approved. There's also an active status when a procedure is currently in an active state. If we take a look at this template here, the user can simply click on the Open as New icon, and you can see it's automatically put into a draft mode. At this point, the drilling or completion engineer can fill in the pertinent values and information that is relevant for their well or wellbore and can continue on. You'll notice that it has the relevant insights that are already associated with that template, and you can unlink these if some of these are not applicable for your application. These are considered standard insights. Since we're in draft mode, I can also add in a local insight. So this could be, again, a risk, a check, a best practice, or a lesson learned, and this can be done locally for this operation. Once I click Save, I can put in some text. I can associate some reporting codes if I need to, and I can also select the group that will be approving this procedure. So we're in draft mode, we've saved the procedure, it's now listed in our list of procedures here in draft mode. At this point in time, we can, after we've completed the procedure and filling out all the information, we can then change the status to planned. At this point, this is when we associate it to a wellbore, to a phase, to the rig, and again, any other reporting codes that might be necessary. I've now saved this. It's in plan mode. It now becomes read-only, and only the approvers can then change it back to a draft, or if I'm one of the approvers, I can then approve this, and then from that point I can also make it into a template. So this is how you create a procedure within Exebenus Pulse from a template. Nicely enough, as we just did this by doing an open as new, you can follow the same process from any procedure, whether it's in a planned state, a draft state, an as run state, or an approved state. You can open that as new and then start it, and it creates a draft and you start all over again. So that's a nice way to be able to create procedures within Exebenus Pulse. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Exebenus Pulse application, where we showed you how to create a procedure from a template or existing procedure. As you can see, it's easy to make and easy to update procedures, saving time and increasing efficiency. They're easy to understand and act on, which increases consistency and standardization, and you can also track and validate activity in real time, warning of deviations from plan, all while streamlining your operations and reducing NPT and ILT. Thanks again. Until next time.